Hello everybody, it's Michael here from Duffy BMW, and today I'm here to show you this gorgeous, absolutely one of a kind, brand new 2021 BMW 1 Series 116D M Sport. Now this is not no ordinary 116D M Sport, it is upgraded with the performance kit on it, the M Performance Kit. As you can see, it has the full LED headlights as well as the side fins there. It has the full blacked out kidney grille upgraded for the M Sport, as well as parking sensors. It has this lovely gloss lip as well on the front. Goes the whole way around and it matches up lovely with the fins against the white paint. You also have these 18-inch M Sport diamond cut alloyed wheels. They are the upgraded alloys that now come with the 1 Series. Rear darkened rear glass, M Performance badges and stickers along the side that go with the kit. The high gloss side skirt extensions. And as we go around to the back, give you a full view of this, you can see it has a gorgeous boot lip spoiler. M Performance again, full M Performance kit, as well as the gloss black rear diffuser, which are single sport exhaust system. You have the LED headlights on the, LED rear lamps on the back as well. And when we go and have a look at the inside of the car, full upgraded cockpit with leather bucket M Sport seats, as well as the leather steering wheel that is multifunctional. Comes with cruise control, limit control, and a range of other features. You also have automatic headlights, as well as automatic rain sensors. Full widescreen display, digital cockpit. You have a radio as well as an automatic gearbox that powers a 2-litre diesel engine. It has maps, navigation, media, sport mode, comfort mode and eco pro mode. It has an electric handbrake with auto hold as well. So everybody, that is a quick look at this gorgeous one of a kind 2021 BMW 1 Series 116D M Sport. If you have any questions on this or would like to take a test drive in this vehicle, please do not hesitate to contact any of the sales team here at Duffy BMW. Thank you very much.